Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. Today we are working for, well, that guy back there. We're working for Dirt Perfect. We're back in the Mack today. We are hauling, and I'm not lying, my 3 favorite pieces of equipment to haul for Mike. Gotta knock out a pre-trip real quick and then we're gonna hit the road. I will tell you this, 2 of the pieces of equipment on our road that I've been stuck on twice. So that should be fine. Let me knock this pre-trip out and we'll hit the road. Stopped in to grab a little breakfast real quick, but the first trip is just right on top of that ridge. Won't take us long to get there at all. Discrepancy in what the plans show versus what's dug. And they're working that out with Matt right now to see if, and that happens sometimes. Sometimes there's a change with the homeowner that doesn't always show up on the plans. So they're going to get that worked out. I'm going to go ahead and leave the 120 here for now. I've got to haul out the D4 too, so I'm going to go ahead and haul the D4 out instead. And that way, if there is a change or we need to be scratching out, we can do it on the back haul. That'll work out. Good news is we know the 120 is going to start for us. always a good sign. But the parking brake was left off. Alright, new plan. Air conditioner first. And then let's go see if the 850 starts. We'll haul that. That'll be fun. It'll be fun. It'll be fun. Luckily, the 850 is literally just a quarter mile down the road here, so no problems there. But we have to dozer over anyway. I'm just gonna that end over, you know, real easy like. Let's see, we've got the anti-security device here. Brake in case of emergency. Oh, there we go, that's good. Comes with its own shovel? No, that's a deal. How you doing? How you doing there, bud? Oh. I mean, that doesn't matter. Okay. Oh, we got that. Corners on the back, magnetic flags, 4 chains up here, 2 on the blade, 2 on the tracks. It's 6 chains total, 6 chains, 6 binders, flags, quad load. Swept the trailer deck, looks good. A magnetic flag. Let's see if we can get out of here. swept the tracks off with the broom. It looks nice. Corner, corner, boom, deck swept. Flag, flag, banner. Let's go. You know what? For being ran over by a loaded truck, y'all don't look too bad, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there's a car behind me. Oh yeah. Got it. We've delivered here a few times before. I can't back in there and turn around because there's too much of a pitch change. I'll end up frame locking. So the easiest way is just back all the way out. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Let me sweep this deck. Let's see if we can round up some jumper cables or a jump pack. Go get that D4 up and running and get to the fairgrounds. I'm just going to run up to the house real quick and get my jump pack. My house is closer than the shop is. I'll be a little faster. Oh gosh. Yeah. jump pack. This one was actually gifted to me by an awesome friend who has a pretty good understanding of what my needs are. It's actually 12 or 24, depending on what you need. The D4 has 2 batteries, but they're hooked up in parallel, so it's a 24-volt system. I'm sorry, I'm just kidding. It's a 12-volt system. Boy, I mean, don't get me wrong, 24 would get her going, but spare the fireworks today. The 4th is over. Anyway, that's the brand, JNC 1224. It's the same one Mike uses. Yeah, we should be good. That's promising. There we go. Leave that run while we chain down. Obviously we're taking the jump pack with us, but hopefully little idle time is all it needs for the batteries. Don't need any flags because we're right over with. You guys know the deal. Corners, blade. Looks like there might be some rain coming in. Parking brake is on. Parking brake matters for the electricity part, or dead battery, because the electricity holds the brake off. So if you leave the brake off, it uses power. If you leave it on, it doesn't use power. But it shouldn't matter if the master is off. So somewhere in this machine, there's a draw, even with the master off, it's draining the batteries down. Don't think it's a battery issue or an alternator issue. You guys saw it only idled for about 5 minutes, loaded up on top of the hill, and it fired up just fine here with just that amount of runtime charging everything up. Somewhere in there, there's a draw pulling something. I don't know when Mike's gonna get to it, but you gotta keep in mind, Mike is the truck driver, he is the equipment operator, he is the business owner, he is the bill payer, he does all the meet and greets with the customers to bid out jobs and all that, and he's also the mechanic. He's gotta do all of it and find time to get all that stuff done. Right now, it's dirt moving season, it's money making season, and I don't think that is at the top of the list. He'll get to it, but you gotta give him time. He's got a lot going on. Let's get this ramp folded up. Let's see if we can beat the rain. Quick pop-up shower, but nothing too crazy. All in all, pretty daggone good day. All the equipment's where it needs to be. Nothing got tore up, nothing got broke. A little bit of confusion in the morning, but we got her straightened out. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm actually going to head over. One of our friends has one of those fancy, you guys heard of these? Concrete ponds? Wild concept, really. We're going to head over there. Chelsea's actually over there right now with the kiddos. I'm going to go over there, meet up with her, have some cold snacks poolside, enjoy the rest of the evening. Hope you guys are having a good whatever it is you're having. And as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.